And good morning. The Chairman's Cup Philippines post-game interview is back with Team Iloilo White defeating Negros Oriental 52 to 42. And here with me is the winning coach from Team Iloilo White, Coach Paul Santome. Coach, good morning. It is very noticeable in this game that you'd like to free up your shooters running floppy or off the curl plays from the right baseline at least 5 times. Is it really your intention to set up your shooters in this game against Negros Oriental?
Yes, sir. Kay ang una nga naman kulang last game kay way mayo na na set up amon shooter muna nga hindi mayo ka igo sabga ang kulang namon kay way sila gaan play na makatira sila taway di mo na gin-adjust naman sa mga game nakatira mo siya way.
Okay, thank you, Coach. Anyone or kung sinong gusto mo pasalamatan after the win?
Thank you sa sa parents sa mga pod ko nga ga-support sa amon kay boss namon sa Elite Love Family kay Coach Jack.
Okay, thank you. And that is the winning coach from Team Iloilo White, Coach Paul Santome, for the post-game interview. And we're back for the Chairman's Cup Philippines post-game interview. After having a talk with the winning coach, Coach Paul Santome, we have the best player of the game, Mark Orendez, posting 17 points, 4 assists, 3 steals, and 2 rebounds. So Mark, congratulations. For you, out of all those areas and departments, what did you think did you do best in helping Team Iloilo White defeat Negros Oriental?
Nagdepensa lang gid kami sa mayo sir kag uli na naman ginaano ang depensa kay una depensa gid ang makapadaog sa
Very precise answer. Anyone or school, Miga, that you want to thank after the win?
pasalamatan ko man na ang Ginoo kay yun kay Javi kag napasalamatan ko akong pamilya nga sa agkilaw day mama day papa kag Simon Senior nga sa Prismatic kag sa pag-support kag sa akong mga cousin kag sa mga family nga ba-support sa amon day po kag sa mga boss di boss John di boss Eugene kag hindi lang moy kag wala sir napasalamatan ko man akong family nga sa Canada day maminina wag dito pa Mike sa full support. Thank you.
Okay, and once again, that is your best player of the game, Mark Orendez. Just a little recap, Iloilo White defeating Negros Oriental 52 to 42 for the second scheduled game of the Chairman's Cup Philippines. This is your broadcast team member, Yobert Julian de la Peña.